Hello friends, now we are going to solve numerical number 5 based on two-port network. Here is the given question. Determine T matrix of the given network. So here is the given network. This is the value TA given, that is 3, 4, 2, 3. This is the transmission parameter, and if we will see clearly in the given circuit, so we need to find out the relation between V1 I1 and V2 I2, means final input is V1 I1 and final output is V2 I2. So if we will see clearly here, then we can see that there is three independent circuit. This is first, this is second, and this is third. We need to calculate the independent T parameter of all these three circuit one by one, in which one has been given, the second one has been given. We need to calculate the first T parameter and third T parameter. So the value has been given like this. This is 2 ohm, and we need to calculate the T parameter for this. So this is, let us assume this is plus minus V2 I2, this is plus minus V1 I1. So we can write from here that the I1 value will be equal to I2 plus V2 by 2. So the value of I1 is V2 by 2 plus I2 here, and the value of V1 is equal to V2. So this is equation number 1 and equation number 2. From here we can say that this is V1 I1 is equal to 1, 0, 1 by 2 and 1 here, and this will be V2 I2. You do not need to confuse between this V1 I1, this V2 I2, and this V1 I1, this V2 I2. Only I have written here V1 I1, V2 I2 is to find out this independent circuit ABCD parameter. We have calculated the ABCD parameter for first circuit. Now second circuit has been given. Now third one. Third one is here. This is 1 ohm. This is plus minus V1 I1. This is plus minus V2 I2. From here we can say that the value of V1 will be equal to V2 plus 1 into I2. We also see that the value of I1 is equal to I2. Now if we will write the V1 I1 here is equal to 1, 1, 0, 1. Here it will be V2 I2. So now we have all three ABCD parameter. Only we need to multiply all these three matrices, because this network 1, 2 and 3 are connected in cascade. So if we want to find out the relation between final input and final output, so we need to multiply all these three matrices. So we can write final V1, final I1 input is equal to 1, 0, 1 by 2, 1, and this is given, 3, 4, 2, 3, and here it will be 1, 1, 0, 1, V2, I2. So the multiplication of these first, second and third matrices will be the final answer. So the final answer will be V1 I1 is equal to 3, 7, 3.5, 8.5, and here it will be V2 and I2. So the T matrix will be equal to 3, 7, 3.5, 8.5. So here is the final answer. So here it is all about this question. Thank you.